head wraps have become so trendy now because of the lockdown situation. If you've got 3C hair just like me, then you know that the struggle is definitely for real. Yeah. So like this is kind of like a protective way that you can keep your hair, that you can manage your hair so that it's not in your face or like all over the place. So I mean, like lots of celebrities have been rocking it, and even my own very YouTube buddies have been rocking this head wrap thing. The queen of head wrap for my YouTube buddies has been Story of Motherhood. I've seen her in like 5% of her videos. She's rocking the head wrap. Yeah. And Abby the Sugar, yeah, sugar with me and sugar with you. She has jumped into the head wrap fever as well, and she's now like driving in the front seat of the head wrap car. So yes, guys, let's look at how we can get this head wrap design sorted. Yeah, let's look at how we can get this right, know how to do it, because it's really beautiful, isn't it? It's a beautiful way to still look stylish without like, you know, looking like somebody from the 60s or somebody from the 50s. Yeah, it's rebranding the African culture, yeah, so that to fit into this century or the present. Yeah, let's do this. And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a head wrap tutorial. Yay! Are you ready? Okay, let's jump straight in. So the first thing that you want to do is try and make sure that your hair is well prepped, and you can prep your hair by flattening it out, because you want your hair to be as flat as possible, so that you can have the stretched out look. Yeah, you can have the stretched like it looks like a facelift. Okay, so you want to make sure that you either cornrow your hair to flatten it out, or if you have short hair like Wakanda hair, then you are good to go. Or or you may want to get one of these like caps that they sell in the African shops, or I think if you live in Africa, then it might be in the hair where they sell hair products, in the shops where they sell hair products. So yes, I'll put that on now and you'll see how that feels. I don't usually use this so much because of I'm prone to headaches, so anything that is going to sit on my head and pull my nails, I don't do it much, but it gives a good lift of your, yeah, it gives a good facelift if you put it on. So you pull that on and down, it just drags everything up nicely for you, because you can see the difference. You can already tell the difference. Yeah, so you pull that up nicely before you start to do any work with your hair. But I'm not going to use it in this video because I don't want to. I'm going to have my scarf on for the rest of the day, and I don't want to have a headache at the end of the day. So, but some people that, I mean, if you don't have, if it doesn't give you a headache, then it's a very good way to prep your, or to start off your head gear. So this is the pattern. This is the scarf that I'm going to be using today. It's a really beautiful scarf I got recently. It's got like the mustard yellow and some splashes of green leaves and metallic, you know, gold. So it's everything that I love. Yeah, so I'm just going to go straight in. I think you want to start off by kind of holding that up in your hands like that, and then maybe you can fold it up a little bit if you don't want it to be too, like, you want the front to be flat, like really flat. So then you just want to go in there and just make a normal, like an initial tie, making sure that your hair is covered. Okay, I'm going to start that over again just to show you. Start from the front and take the two ends to the back and make a knot, and just pull it really hard until it's really tight and the front is flat, and then you can pull up the front side of your hair a little bit so that you can get your face to stand out a bit more. And continue to tighten it until it's tight enough for you. And once that is done, the next thing that you need to do is really easy now. You want to try and make the like spirals, like the twist. Okay, so you want to try and twist this up so that you can start to roll it around and around and around and around and around until it's round enough to your own taste. Yeah, it's that, you know, you just have to keep on twisting it until you have the spirals that you want. Okay, and once you finish twisting it, like, you want to start to take it back, take it around, like from here under and back up, to try and curve it around itself like a snail, if you know what I mean. And you keep on twisting it as you're doing this. You keep on twisting and then curving it around itself. Take it back, bring it forward again, and keep on twisting. And when you get to the end there, you kind of tuck it in, tuck it under. Okay, so you've got the base one. Now you need to finish, make sure that it's well tucked in and you don't have anything flying out. I usually like tuck mine underneath, like right underneath my scarf to the back of my hair. Then you come back and you start to twist this other one, the one that is left. Start to twist it and twist it and twist it until when you have the desired twist, then you can start to go around the base one. And it's some of them, it depends on the scarf that you're using. Sometimes you find this works so easily, other times you have to wangle your way around it. So you can see that it's already looking lovely. Yeah, and yeah, that's it. And you can push that forward a bit, and you can rock it like a side. You can have it as a side one like that. Yeah, you can have the roses. I usually call them the roses. You can have your rose to the side, like you can have the rose to the side, you can have it to the front, you can have it to the other side, and you can just have it at the back as well. And of course you can use pins, you can use the bobbin pins to help you. Yeah, you can definitely also rock it as a front look, so that means you start from the back and you make the knot in front, and then you do your twisting and you're twisting and turning. Yeah, everything is going to happen in the front. And you can also rock it as a back look. I'm going to do a back look now and show it to you. Who was the person that wanted me to do the best for them? Bonner boy, I think we're getting to the time when we have to do that bonner boy, like. Okay, so that's where I'm going to end it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching my head wrap tutorial. I hope you learned a thing or two. I hope that you can now become a fashionista or fashion brother. I don't know what you want to call yourself. Fashion brother or fashionista, fashionada. How are we going to, like, what are we going to call the fashion brothers? Because the fashion sisters are fashionista. How do we, like, what do we call the fashion brothers now? Fashion brothers? Okay, thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.